and welcome to your September real estate market update for the San Antonio area. My name is Renee Zunker with the Zunker Property Group. Let's jump right on into what the heck is going on in the San Antonio real estate market. It's difficult to predict exactly what's going to happen, but if one thing's for certain, it's that interest rates are really driving the buyer activity in the market right now. Buying the same home today as you would 6 months ago just costs more. Interest rates went from being about 3% earlier this year to just now hitting 6%, giving everyone a severe case of sticker shock. This could be a difference of hundreds of dollars on your monthly payment just because of the interest rate. Although nobody wants to hear it, this is exactly what the real estate market absolutely needed. The increase in the price of homes that we were seeing was completely unsustainable. In the 3 years prior to the pandemic, we didn't see a year-over-year increase higher than 8%. Rising interest rates and rising home prices did cause a lot of people to take a step back and think about if they really wanted to buy in those market conditions. For a lot of people, earlier this year, buying a home just was not possible. Lots of people were going way above the asking price, waiving appraisals, and doing almost anything just to get their offer accepted. So now that that competition has cooled off a little bit, I actually think this is the best time that we've seen in the last couple years to buy a home. You see, it was the competition of the amount of buyers per home that led to those crazy conditions. Now that that competition's not out there, we can actually go out, look at homes, and finally start to negotiate again. So even if you're not ready to buy your dream home, if you're gonna be in the same location for the next 3 to 5 years, it could be a great time to buy.
Last couple of months, we've seen mortgage interest rates fluctuate up and down. We started to see north of 5% in April, and now we're sitting right under 6%. The industry experts at Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, Mortgage Bankers Association, and the National Association of Realtors predict that over the next year, mortgage rates will fluctuate between 5 and 6%.
Experts are still estimating home values to continue to appreciate, just at a much slower and sustainable rate. So we know that supply and demand will also be a factor in home prices, so let's see what the supply is like. A balanced market has about 6 months worth of supply to be able to sell. Right now, San Antonio is still sitting at less than 2 months of supply. We have seen an increase in days on the market in San Antonio. Our September average of days on the market in 2017 was 37 days. In 2018 was 34 days. 2019 was 37 days, and in May of 2022, we had an average days on market of 16 days. So we still are undersupplied for the amount of homes that people will continue to buy. San Antonio is still a hot destination for people moving here from out of state that are fleeing metropolitan areas with much higher cost of living. San Antonio has the lowest median home price out of any of the metropolitan areas in Texas.
So with a supply that's not even close to where it should be and no end in sight of the demand of people wanting to move to Texas and buy homes, I think that the San Antonio housing market is still in really good shape. And this could be one of the best times to buy a home that we've seen in the last couple of years.
So that's what's happening mid-September in the San Antonio real estate market. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the San Antonio area, my team is here and ready to help. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss one of these monthly updates.